Hello, homeowners. My name is Evan James. I work for Long Built Homes. I'm the warranty coordinator.
I'm Gordon Cruz, warranty technician.
And back by popular demand, we have some more videos for you customers. We're going to show you today how to repair a screw pop.
What you find with a screw pop is a raised piece on your wall. So we've found the screw pop. We have the bag under, which is going to catch any of the stuff that I'm going to knock down. And I'm going to find the screw, because that's what's holding the sheetrock onto the wall. All right. So there's the screw. That's why it popped, because it's not deep enough. The screw was not put in deep enough. So we give it a couple of turns. Clean it up. Okay, so let's finish off the screw pop repair. Getting the compound, which is the pink compound. Just smooth it out.
When you're applying the spackle, you'd want to put it a little thicker because it's going to recess when it dries out.
When it does dry, we'll come back and we'll sand it, and then we'll be ready for paint.
So now the repair on this screw pop has dried out through the magic of stop motion on video. I'm going to sand it down now so it's nice and smooth. So now that we have the spot sanded, we're going to go ahead and paint it. Remove our little Gordon bag trick. To paint it, you want to put it on nice and thick right over the spot. Get it to blend in with the other paint that was originally there. And you're good to go.